No.
What is it? That's a hole. Even I know. Huh?
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Well, I don't know that they do these days.
I'm not gonna get.
Right, so it's 28 now.
So.
We've got another London King's Cross to Edinburgh coming now.
London Coast to Edinburgh. This is the other one. Horse from the Peterborough on platform 4. Couldn't get Sandy. It's Huntingdon and Peterborough. So this one's heading to Peterborough. So there is your taking the service on platform 1, leaving to Horsham. This one, leaving now Horsham to Peterborough. So leaving on platform 1, Peterborough to Horsham, leaving on platform 4, Horsham to Peterborough.
That's Doncaster.
What the? Whoa! Okay, so that's special LNR 800. That was Doncaster to London King's Cross. Okay, so this weird freight train. It's on platform 2.
But it might not be a freight train.
Okay, but it probably might be the one. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, Dad. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Fingers crossed, Team Plush. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed to all the train spotter lovers who are watching this.
Here it comes. Sounds like a normal train to me, though.
Whoa! Whoa! What the hell was that?
That's one we haven't seen before.
Holy moly! I saw that yellow HST thing. That was apparently like. So is that like an engineering version of a normal HST?
Yeah.
Okay, and so that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Peace. Camera.